Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna, or as you popularly know me as English वाली मैम. सो आज हमारी ये जो T20 सीरीज है, इसमें जो चैप्टर है ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया, इसका पार्ट 1 अ बेकर फ्रॉम गोवा, इसका आज सेकेंड सेशन है. ऑलराइट. सो जब भी चैप्टर का सेकेंड सेशन होता है, व्हाट डू? We understand the important characters from from the particular story, and also of course the values that we learn from the chapter. Okay. So before we start with the character traits of the baker, the important thing that I want to tell all of you is कि बेटा अगर अभी तक भी एजुकेटर प्रेरणा जो यूट्यूब चैनल है मैम का, इसको अगर आपने अभी तक भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please go ahead and do that and do like and share our videos. Okay. All right, moving ahead. So ये हमें पता चला that ये जो story है A Baker from Goa, this is basically a pen portrait which is written by a baker himself, right, wherein he has described that how baker was an important part in the he was a very desired person in the entire Goa. All right. So what were the important character traits of this particular baker? All right. So सबसे पहला जो character trait है वो है dedicated professional. How do we know that the baker was a dedicated professional? अपने काम की तरफ वो बहुत dedicated था. कैसे पता चलता है? Because he used to come every day to deliver that bread. He never took a day off. Instead, he even would come twice a day. All right. Then the second character trait that we know about the baker is that he was affable. Affable का मतलब होता है someone who's very friendly. Okay. So how do we know that the baker was affable or he was very friendly? That how children used to wait for his arrival. Children are that part of the population or that part of the human race, I always say, कि जिनको पता चल जाता है that who is the one who actually loves them and who is the one who's only there for some selfish purpose. So these children, they knew that the baker was a very kind-hearted person, probably a very pure-hearted person, and so that is the reason, he says that the baker, if you come to page number 85, he says that the baker was a friend, companion and guide. So probably, the children were not only fond of those bread bangles, but maybe the children also discussed a lot about what was going on in their life with this particular baker. Alright, so we know that the way children would look forward to the arrival of the baker and how it is said that the baker was a companion, was a guide, this clearly shows that the baker was a very friendly person. He was very affable. Alright. Then the last character trait that we know about baker is that he was very prosperous. If you come to page number 86 and in the last paragraph, if you read the third line, baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days. The baker and his family and they never starved. He and his family and his servants always looked happy and prosperous, and this was quite evident from their plump appearance. So the baker made good amount of money for his survival. So we know that he was very prosperous. He was doing extremely well in his business. तो ये तीन मेन कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स हैं ऑफ द बेकर. अब आप पूछोगे मैम इस चैप्टर में क्या वैल्यूज हैं? देयर आर टू मेन इंपॉर्टेंट वैल्यूज. फर्स्ट इज दैट वी शुड बी डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स आवर वर्क, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सेकेंड कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स है टू नेवर disregard your cultural history. Okay, so that's about it from this particular chapter. And अब इस chapter के third session में हम इस chapter के in text and end text questions को solve करेंगे. And of course I'm going to give you some extra questions, और उसी के साथ we will understand and underline the important extracts from the chapter. Till then, stay blessed and do like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel Educator Prerna. Thank you.